Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make popsicle stick Shuriken easy method. Start by gathering 4 sturdy popsicle sticks, wood glue, clamps, sandpaper, and a craft knife. Work on a flat surface. Align sticks in a cross, trim ends to form points, and sand edges smooth. Apply glue at overlapping joints, clamp until set, then reinforce with thin craft tape. Practice safe handling and adult supervision for young makers. Take 2 sticks and mark the center on each for precise alignment, then cut opposite ends at a 30-degree angle to form blades. Use a sanding block to refine each point until it is smooth, but still sharp enough for display. Dry fit all pieces before gluing to ensure balanced symmetry. After glue cures, test assembly gently and touch up any rough spots with fine sandpaper for a clean finish. Apply a clear sealant or varnish to protect the wood and add visual contrast, and let it dry fully before handling. For decoration, paint alternating blades or wrap colored thread around the center for grip and style. If you plan to throw for fun, add a rubber bumper to ends to reduce impact and never aim at people or animals. Store Shuriken flat in a box to prevent warping and accidental injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.